Welcome! If Snapchat calls from a friend keep popping up when you least expect it, don't worry. You can quickly mute those call notifications for a whole hour without blocking or removing them. Let's walk through how to do it, step by step. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page. Next, tap on My Friends to see your full friends list. Here, scroll through or search for the friend whose call notifications you want to mute. Once you find their name, press and hold on it. A menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. This is where Snapchat lets you customize how you interact with that specific friend. After that, tap on Notification Settings. You'll now see different notification controls for that friend. Look for the option that says Mute Calls. Go ahead and toggle it on. Once you do that, Snapchat will ask you how long you want to mute the calls. Simply select for 1 hour, and that's it.